Hello children, today we will read lesson 10, Our Food, Our Health. We all know that food is our basic needs of human being. We get food from plants and animals. Eating together helps children to develop friendship. They share their food with each other and know the different habits of one another. Children get nutritious and fresh food in the school. Midday meals is served to all school going children at the cost of government. We should not eat junk foods that are sold by roadside vendors. Preservation of food is very important. A Janta fridge can be prepared with cheap materials. They serve the purpose of extensive electronic fridge. Wastage of food should be checked. We should know the hardships by different people, right from sowing seeds to get cooked food served in our eating plate. Cooking excess food, throwing leftover food should be avoided. So these are the concepts we will read today. We need food to live. Do all of us eat the same kind of food? Do all of us eat food at the same time? How are food habits different? Think. We get food from plants and animals. Let us know more about our food in this lesson. Look at the picture given below. See the side heading, picnic, Vanabhojanam. Naveed, Vipin, Neeli and Deepthi are studying in 5th class. One day their families went out for picnic. They opted for an open space with the trees on the banks of their village tank. As the picnic spot, the children and the elders enjoyed the picnic. They spoke to each other and played different games. They fetched dry grass and firewood for cooking. They arranged stoves. All elders and children together cooked food with the material they brought. See your textbook, page number 122. During lunchtime, they all sat in a circle. Children arranged the leaf plates. Some people used freshly picked leaves as plates. Hot and cooked food was served along with the different items brought from their houses. Naveed brought jwar rotis, Neeli brought chikki and sweets, Vipin got boiled horse gram, red gram and Bengal grams. Deepthi shared the porridge she brought. All of them shared the food items and ate heartily. They spent the day happily. There is really no need of any occasion to go on a picnic. People can just decide and go on the picnic for fun. You can see in your textbook midday meals in this picture. See in your textbook 123. The lunch bell rang. All the children washed their hands and plates under the tap with soap. They stood in a queue for taking midday meal. That day they were served rice, dal and sambar in the midday meal. There is a different menu every day for the midday meal. Eating together helps children to develop friendship with other students. Children who get food from their homes share it with others. Thus, they get to know the different food habits of others. Some children eat only rice and pickle. Some children eat with vegetables. Some others do not eat properly. They throw away rice and vegetable pieces. This is not a good practice. Some children do not get enough food at their homes and they come to school without eating. Serving midday meals is very essential for such children. Many children in our country do not get enough food to eat. The children who do not get sufficient food do not grow healthy. Those who are not healthy do not show interest in studies. The Supreme Court of India has ordered that nutritional food should be served to all children in every school. From then, the government of India has been serving midday meal to all children in government schools. See page number 124. Next side heading, what kind food should we eat? Food gives us energy and helps us to stay healthy. Hence, we should take proper care and measures to keep food safe. Observe the picture given and say whether it is good to eat food outside. You have seen the picture. If the food items are not covered properly, dust, germs, flies and other harmful insects sit on the food and contaminate. Harmful germs and microorganisms stick to the body of the flies and they live in the dirty places. This contaminate the food we eat and causes harm to our health. Some hotels and roadside food vendors use the same oil again and again. Oil that is heated many times is not good for our health. So we should not eat such food. We should always eat fresh and hot food. We should always prefer eating food prepared at home. We should eat clean food. Even though the food is clean, we may fall sick if we eat with dirty hands. Hence, good food habits are a must for everyone.